Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to import a PDF file into Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Drive, then upload your PDF file. See this? See this PDF file? Double click and upload it. Then reload, and now we can see this PDF file. Then see this. Then select, press Ctrl A, select all data, press Ctrl C, copy. Then again open Google Sheets. Open your Google spreadsheet or create a blank spreadsheet. Then select cells. First of all, direct press Ctrl V, and secondly use mark cells. Then double click, then press again Ctrl V. Resize text. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.